friends, this is just a quick little video to show you how to make a short link for any of the resources that you decide to push out during our remote learning days. For this example, I'm using the coronavirus video from BrainPop. So the first thing you're going to do, I know we discussed a Bitly. Bitly does require you to create a free account. Bitly's my favorite, but for sake of ease, I'm going to show to you Tinyurl. So I've already got the link that I want pulled up right here. I'm going to open a new window and go to tinyurl.com. And for this one, it's already loaded. I'm just going to switch back to my previous window, copy, Control-C, copy that link. Come back over here, I'm going to paste it here, and it's going to make a tiny URL. So all I had to do is click create. So it's taken this URL and turned it into this one. So all I have to do now is copy to clipboard, and then I can paste that link anywhere that I want. The other option, in case you do want to try Bitly, if you go and open a new window, it's bit.ly. You would need to sign up. And you can see down here, there's a free account. I like Bitly because it allows you to customize the links. So I'm going to say get started for free. And you just work through here to create your account. I am already logged in, so I'm actually just going to log in really quick so I can show you how it works. Now, so these are all different links I've created before, but all you do once you're in and you have your account, you're going to hit create, and then you have this little pop-up window on the right. So I'm going to go back and copy my coronavirus link again and go back to my Bitly window. And I'm going to paste this link here and hit create. Now, I can put a title for this link, BrainPop coronavirus. And then you can actually customize the back half of this link. So instead of it being 2U1WRBY, I can change it to BP COVID. Okay. And then all I have to do is hit save. And there we go. So now this is my new link, bit.ly/BP COVID. And the only thing you have to know with Tinyurl and Bitly is that these are all case sensitive. So it's great actually if you do it all lowercase or make it really obvious. Most people know by now from using short links that they are case sensitive. But so I've just copied it here. It's now been saved to my clipboard, and then I can go in and paste it in any browser or any email. And there it goes. Takes me right to what I'm looking for. Hope that helps you. Let me know if you have any questions.